Hello, Assalamu alaikum, student.
मामा को बुलाओ, मामा को बुलाओ.
How are you all?
Fine.
Oh, okay, that's really great. Bete, I really want you all to submit your homework through University. If you have done your homework, which I have given yesterday, you have to submit through University. Is that clear, dear?
Yes.
Okay, let all the participants come. Then we will start our topic. Okay. Fahad Ahmed, are you a 5 red or 5 green, bete? Okay, Varisha Ilyas. This is Aisha Ilyas, I think, na?
Yes.
Aisha, you are from 5 green or 5 red, bete?
5 green.
Okay, Zainab Zafar, you are from 5 red. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Wafa is from 5 red. And Shamir, you are from 5 red. Okay, only one of 5 green. Aisha Ilyas is from 5 green right now. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. Today only few students joined the class. Still 2 minutes are left. That's why, na? They will come at 4, exact 4, inshallah. So, the last topic was clear to you, my dear? The last topic of adverb was clear to you, bete?
Yes.
Have you practiced?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you have done the sentences, I want you to submit your assignment through University. Here, you submit your
Yes.
assigned work, whatever you are doing, to the software. Clear?
Yes.
Yesterday we did adverb, and I have given you the assignment to practice sentences. Is that so? Yes. Are you getting my voice? Yes, student. Are you getting my voice? Hello? Are you getting my voice right now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So it means adverb is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. Today we are starting the new topic.
Yes.
Preposition. What is that?
Preposition.
Preposition. So kindly better open the worksheet set. In that, open page number 4, preposition. To open your worksheet set, preposition, worksheet, page number 4. Okay. First of all, let me clear you what is a preposition. Did you all find your worksheet set?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at the screen. I'm showing screen to you.
Yes.
Are you able to look at my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So look at this. Are you able to look at this definition which I'm showing it to you? Or shall I increase the size?
Yes.
Shall I increase the size more?
Yes.
Okay. So with the preposition is a traditional word class comprising words that relate two linguistic elements to each other, and they generally precede the word which they govern. In simple words, we can say preposition are the word which is placed before noun or pronoun. Where do we place the preposition? Before
Noun or pronoun.
Very good.
Noun or pronoun.
Very nice, Bete. Why do we place preposition before noun or pronoun? To describe its relationship with other words. The function of preposition is to create relationship. It creates link. Preposition work as a bridge word. What is the major function of preposition, Bete? Look at these sentences. He sat on the chair. So here the sentence on is the bridge word and it is creating the link. Am I clear, Bete? Are you
Miss,
able to get my voice?
your voice is not clear.
Okay. Now is it clear, my dear?
Yes.
So preposition work as a bridge word. What is the function of preposition? It works as a bridge word. What is the major function?
It works as a bridge word.
Very good. It creates link. It creates relationship.
Link.
In this sentence, he sat on the chair. The chair is a noun. And
Noun.
on is creating the link. And it is working as a bridge word in the sentence. Am I clear, my dear?
Yes. Yes.
So this is the function of preposition. We place preposition before noun or pronoun to create its relation with other words. What do we do that?
To create relationship with other words.
Very good. Okay.
With others.
Very nice, Bete. Great job. Okay. Now we are moving forward to preposition and different kinds of preposition. So we will study furthermore. The first kind of preposition is simple preposition that consists of only one word. Are you able to look at the screen right now?
Yes. Yes.
Simple preposition. What are simple preposition? Simple preposition are consist of only one word. How many words do we have in simple preposition?
One word. One word.
Only one word. So look at the sentence. I'm giving an example to you. My house is in Karachi. So over here only in is preposition and it is working as bridge word and creating the relationship of noun with other words. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How many words do we have in simple preposition?
One word. One.
Very good, Bete. We are having only one word. And the major function of preposition is it creates link and
Relationship.
very good, Bete. Very good. It works in simple words. It works as a bridge word. What it does?
Bridge word.
Very good. Very good, Wafa. It works as bridge word. Aisha, are you getting the topic, Bete?
Yes.
It's understandable?
Yes.
Okay. Moving forward, we are doing the second kind. The second kind of preposition is double preposition. What is that?
The double preposition.
Okay. Very good, Betty. Double preposition consists of more than two prepositions. How we can judge this? In that we can have it two preposition together. Am I clear?
Yes.
For example, in two. So in is also a preposition and to is also a preposition. And we can use it together as well in the sentence to. For example, if I'm keeping something in my pocket, an action is going on, then at the time I will say, I'm keeping money into my pocket. Are you getting my sentence?
Yes.
Because at the time the action is going on. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. And if the money is already in the pocket, so I will say the money is in the pocket because I'm not putting right now. It's already in the pocket. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the difference between both? I have used single preposition, the simple one, when I'm not doing the action. Is this clear? Here
Yes.
I'm not doing the action, then the money was already in the pocket. When I'm doing it, I'm using it double preposition. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So, when I'm doing the action, I'm using double preposition into. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Simple preposition consists of only one word. Double preposition consists of more than two prepositions. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. The major function of preposition is to create link. It works as a bridge word and it creates link. We have different kinds of preposition. Simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition and more. Is that clear? So,
Yes.
Yes.
very good, Betin. So today we did simple preposition, which is consists of only one word, and the double preposition consists of two prepositions. Is this clear? Okay. Now I'm starting the third one. Okay. Compound preposition. Are you able to look at the screen right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The topic is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. I'm moving forward. Compound preposition. It's the third kind of preposition. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
You know, it consists of two or three words, but it's really not important that all the words are prepositions. Am I clear? In that, we can use those words as well, which are not preposition. Is this clear? For example,
Yes.
on and off. When we join together, it creates compound preposition. But because if we use alone, it is a conjunction. Am I clear?
Yes.
So when we join off with because, it creates compound preposition. Are you getting it?
Yes.
In compound preposition, we are having more than two words, more than two or three words, just like the double preposition. But the difference is that in double preposition, we use two prepositions together. But in compound preposition, we use those words as well, which are not preposition. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Betty. Now, look at the worksheet number 4, which I have given you. Are you able to look at the worksheet which I have given you? Open the worksheet at page number 4. This will be, yes, my dear. This will be your assignment. You have to finish that worksheet in your assignment. Clear? Now I'm clearing the topic
your voice
more.
is not clear.
I'm clearing the topic more from start. Are you? Yes, my dear. Are you able to hear me right now?
No.
Yes, now?
Not so clear.
Yes, Betty. Now are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sure, Aisha?
Yes.
Yes, who is not getting my voice? Yes, my dear. Who is not getting my voice? Are you all getting right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So today we have done preposition, the function of preposition, and its different kind. What we did today?
Position.
We did preposition. We did preposition. Yes, my dear Umar.
Preposition.
Okay.
Umar.
I really request you one by one share one example of each if you understand the topic. Yes, Safa. Did you understand that? What is simple preposition?
मिस आप
Yes.
शुरू से समझा दें.
I'm muting. I will definitely review and repeat the whole lecture. First of all, I want you, whatever you understand, you should share with me. Is this clear, my dear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm muting everyone. Only Wafa will be speaking. Is this clear,
Miss?
my dear?
मिस
Yes.
Okay, Wafa, kindly share the example, my dear.
Teacher, please repeat the lecture.
Definitely, beta, I'll be repeating it. But let me ask those students who already got that topic. Now, I will review all the things. No issue, beta. Yes, Wafa, share the example. You understand the topic?
Teacher, preposition is
Yes, my dear. What is preposition? What is the function of preposition? Preposition work as a bridge word. What it does?
preposition work at the bridge work.
Are you getting Sumera Farhan the voice?
Yes, miss.
What is the function of preposition? It
Prepo-
works as the bridge word.
A bridge word.
Very good. It creates links. What it does?
Create links.
Very nice. Where do we place preposition? We place preposition before noun or pronoun. Are you getting everyone? हम सेंटेंस में noun और pronoun से पहले लिखते हैं preposition. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, very nice, my dear. So, the simple preposition, it's a kind of preposition and it consists of only one word, one single word. Am I clear, my dear?
Yes.
Okay. The second preposition is double preposition.
Okay.
The second preposition is double preposition.
Double
Double preposition.
Very good. And the double preposition consists of more than
two prepositions.
Very good. Excellent job, my dear. So in that, we are using two prepositions together. Clear?
Yes.
What are we doing it?
Yes.
We are
Yes.
writing two prepositions together. Okay. Let me show example. It will be more clear to you. Okay. Look at that. Look at all these examples. Are you able to look at the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So look at all the sentences. He sat on the chair. There is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. The cat jumped off the counter. He drove over the bridge. So in these sentences, on, in, under, off, and over are working as the bridge word. Am I clear?
Yes.
And these all are simple preposition. What are these?
Simple
preposition.
Very good. Excellent job, my dear. Okay. Now moving further, the double preposition. As I already have explained you, in double preposition, we write two prepositions together. How do we create double preposition? By combining two simple prepositions. Clear? Like out of, into. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the examples. Look at the example of double preposition. Up to, within, without, inside, outside, into, onto, upon. These all are double preposition. What are these?
Double preposition.
In that we have used two prepositions together. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Take the example. Outside the house lies a beautiful garden. It is up to us to find a way out. The dog jumped onto the bed. Once upon a time, there lived a king. Am I clear, my dear? Am I clear right now? Should I move further? Should I move forward right now? Okay. Okay. In third preposition, compound preposition. In compound preposition, we do use more than two words, 2 or 3 words, but all the words are not preposition. Am I clear?
Yes.
We use conjunction with preposition to create compound preposition. For example, because of. Am I clear?
Yes.
So these all are example of compound preposition. Because of, in addition to, in front of, instead of, next to, on account of, on top of, out of. These all are the example of. These all are the example of compound preposition.
Preposition.
Yes,
Compound
these all
preposition.
are the compound preposition. Okay. Amna, you joined, beti. Who joined very late right now? Yes, dear. Beta, you don't know about the class timing? Huzaifa, you are too late, my dear.
Miss, I know better.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, students.
Teacher ID name is right.
Beta, why you did not get through university?
Walaikum assalam. Teacher ID name is right.
Beta, you should find it before the class now. If you are having class at 4, so you have to search for things before that. At 3, start searching things
Teacher
like
name.
ID and different things. In
Sir,
this
page
manner,
पे
how
नहीं थी।
will you get the lecture, my dear?
Teacher page पे नहीं मिल रही थी।
Okay, no issue. But next time, try to do out things before the class and join the class on time. Be punctual.
Okay.
Okay. So today we have done preposition. What is the major function of preposition? The major function of preposition is it works as a bridge word. Clear? We also have done different kind of preposition. Like simple preposition,
Simple preposition.
and compound preposition.
Preposition.
Okay, now I'm sharing screen. In that I'll be showing you compound preposition example. Okay, are you able to look at the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this example. I get the company tour on behalf of my manager. So in this sentence, on behalf of is the compound preposition. It consists of more than 2 words. Is that so?
Yes.
All the words are not preposition. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. In the second example, in addition to Sarah, we have 5 vice presidents in our company. So in this sentence, in addition to, all are not preposition. Fine. and to is a preposition and addition is the word. From that we are creating compound preposition. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. In third sentence, because of, because when we use because alone, it is a conjunction. What is that?
Conjunction. A
It's because it's a
conjunction.
conjunction. When we join off with because, yes, when we join off with conjunction because, it creates compound preposition. What it does?
Creates compound preposition.
Very good. Now to take the example, because of my positive attitude, Mary chose me as a group leader. Did you understand that?
Yes.
The person was having a positive attitude, so the leader, he became the leader and Mary chose him as a leader. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The whole topic is clear to you, today's one?
Yes.
So now, Bete, I want you to ask the question if any confusion you're having. So I'll be giving answer to you. Yes, Asif, you joined late. Do you want to ask any question, Bete? Yes, Asif, are you getting my voice? Am I audible to you?
टीचर आप मुझे पहले का समझा सकती हैं?
What? Again, repeat the question, my dear.
मिस कह रहे पहले का समझा सकती हैं?
We have done only these topic today. Preposition, simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition. Is this clear, Bete?
Yes.
And I'll review the whole topic as well.
Teacher, have you got my homework?
Yes, Bete. When I will check,
Have you
Yes, my dear. Yes,
have
yes.
you got
Yes,
my
Bete, I
homework?
will check. Yes, Bete, I will check and let you know.
Okay.
Right now, I'm taking class now. After my class, 5 to 6, I'm having the theory time. You can join university and you can ask question over there to me. So 5 to 6, I'm
All
online for
right.
you. I'm online for you. If you are having any question, any query regarding my class English, you can ask me at that time, or regarding the class as well. Class 5, right? You are my own class. I'm your class teacher. If you're having any problem, any issue regarding the class, you can ask me at that time, because I'll be online at the time, 5 to 6 p.m. Am I clear?
Yeah.
I hope all the topics are understandable, which we are doing nowadays. Any confusion? Now, can you complete your assignment, today's worksheet, which I have given you, page 4? Yes, my dear Sunaira Farhan and Ali Ahmad.
Yes, miss.
Yes, my dear. Now, Shamir is joining right now.
Yes, teacher.
Vidya, why you all are joining too late, my dear?
मिस फाद तो ज्वाइन थे, इनका इंटरनेट फाद बाहर हो गए थे.
No, Shamir joined right now. He just moved.
शमीर
One of the students moved and again joined and again disconnected. Okay, leave out. I think there is internet issue now. There is some technical issue with him. Because few students are connecting and then again they are signing out. Yes, my dear Huzaifa, unmute yourself, bete. And your video is also closed. Bete. Open the video, unmute yourself. Kindly unmute yourself, everyone, and open the video. Yes, Huzaifa, why did you close the window of yours? Teacher, आपको नजर नहीं लगाएंगी. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So today's topic is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So are you helping everyone at home nowadays?
Yes.
Especially your parents?
Yes.
Sure. Or only sharing with the teacher? Yes, yes.
मिस
Huh?
इस इन लोग मैं एक ग्रुप में थी क्या कहते हैं कहा शमीर और हम लोग बातें करते रहते हैं ये कोई और नहीं आता हम आपको भी इतनी बार बोला कोई भी नहीं आता भाई
Oh,
बाहर दे
so,
ऐसी सारी
okay.
हर
Okay,
किसी को कॉल लेकिन
okay,
बेचारे
come
नहीं
to
आते
topic with it.
बेचारे
I'm again reviewing the whole topic. So our today's topic is preposition. Preposition work as a bridge word.
Opposite work as a bridge.
We use preposition before noun or pronoun to create its relationship with other words. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yes.
We have
Yes.
done three kinds of preposition: simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition. Clear?
Yes.
Simple preposition consists of only one word. Double preposition consists of more than two prepositions. Clear? Yes or no?
Conversation. Yes.
Topic is clear now, bete? Double
Yes.
preposition consists of more than two prepositions.
More than two.
Okay.
Okay.
And compound preposition consists of more than 2-3 words.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Who will gonna share the example right now? Tell him, Umar, you just share one example. What did you understand today? What we did today?
We did preposition. Preposition is
Preposition contains more than two words.
Very good.
double
Aisha,
preposition.
bete.
More than two words.
Aisha, what is simple preposition?
Simple preposition creates a link. It just has one preposition.
Okay, very good. Or what is double preposition?
Means double preposition
It contains more than
contain more than
Wait,
two
wait,
or
let her
more than
speak.
two.
Let her speak. In this manner, her hesitation will be removed. Yes, Aisha, my dear. What is double preposition?
double preposition contains more than two preposition.
Very good, Aisha. It means you understand the topic. Yes, Sumaira Farhan.
Yes.
What is compound preposition?
Compound preposition.
Yes, dear.
कंपाउंड preposition में हम लोग दो से तीन वर्ड्स को मिलाते हैं.
Very good. You should speak in English better. In this manner, your speaking will be improved. I want everyone during the class time try to communicate in English. Is that clear?
Yes.
Oh, okay, my dear. Now, Shamir, share a sentence. One example of double preposition. Yes. Your voice is not clear, my dear Shamir. Okay, no issue. I think you are having some technical issue. Zainab Zafar, kindly share, bete. Share any example.
Teacher, your voice is not clear.
Now, are you getting my voice? Zainab Zafar, are you getting my voice?
No, teacher.
Okay. Farwa, now you are joining the class, my dear. The class time ended. What happened today to you all, bete? You joined class very late. 2-3 students joined the class
मिस
too
मैं
late.
से एक ही मिनट लेट हुआ मिस मैं
What
से एक
about
ही मिनट
Farwa?
बात है
Farwa joined very late. Hasib joined very late. And he left as well. I think, is he present in the class right now? Yes, Hasib. Did you understand the topic?
सर हम लोग को आईडी
Acha.
Teacher,
Okay,
yes.
okay, no issue, bete. Now you are able to get the IDs. Okay, bete, class time ended. Inshallah, I'll be taking the class on Monday now. Yes, teacher.
मिस इसके बाद भी तो फ्री क्लास है.
Yes, you have to join other teacher's ID, na, with other teacher's ID. So it's not my class. I have
Miss
to log
के बाद-
out. Yes, you
मिस
have
ये
to,
तो फ्री.
beta, you have to log
आप
into the other teacher
हम
ID
लोग
now.
बातें कर लेते हैं.
No, come on, join the next class. Okay, Umar, you're very naughty. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, I'm ending the class. Take good care of you.
Miss-
Allah Hafiz, everyone.